used to prevent cancer patients undergoing chemotherapy from losing their hair. For more, we're joined by oncologist Professor Fran Boyle from Adelaide. Professor, good morning to you.
Good morning, Carl.
Now, this is an amazing discovery for these people. It makes such a difference.
Well, losing your hair is something that makes you visible to other people, of course, and is a really issue for body image for patients undergoing chemotherapy. So if we're able to actually protect the hair, then that gives people back a little bit of a sense of control in a very difficult time in their lives.
How does it actually work?
Well, Carl, it uses technology that's basically based on beer cooling, where you circulate fluid through a cap, which I can show you here.
Yeah.
It sits very tightly on the head, and the fluid comes up from a little bedside unit, circulates around, and makes the head very cold. And what that will do is put the hair follicles into hibernation during the time that the chemotherapy is given. So while a woman or man is sitting in the chair having their chemo, the cap will be on their heads for a couple of hours, pretty cold, and that helps to protect the hair from the effects of the chemotherapy.
How effective is it?
Well, about half of the women in our study who were receiving chemo for early breast cancer were able to avoid the need for a week. So most of them did lose some hair, but not that all-over hair loss that we would normally see with chemotherapy. It can also work for men, and for men receiving treatment for prostate cancer, for instance, the results would be likely to be similarly good. But it's not for everyone. There are some chemos that just don't suit.
Yeah.
Particularly, I think it's going to be useful for women with breast cancer and men with prostate cancer.
Well, indeed. I know that these machines, I suppose they don't come cheap, is that right?
Well, the sorts of machinery enough to treat 2 patients would cost a chemotherapy unit around $50,000.
Right.
There are some others that are coming onto the market that may be a little bit less expensive, but they're very regarded as a standard part of care in the UK and in Europe. So we're really a long way behind.
Hopefully we can get some more of these units here for those